Performing a system walk test provides a communication check between the UltraSync hub and the wireless sensors enrolled in the system. From the overview screen, select the menu icon and then select Settings. Next, in the drop-down menu, scroll down and select Walk Test. Select the Start Walk Test icon. Once the walk test is initiated, open each sensor and listen for the hub to sound up to 8 beeps. Once the beeps have stopped, close the sensor and wait for another set of beeps. The test results for each sensor will be displayed next to the sensor's name. You may need to scroll down in order to view all of the sensors. A result of excellent or good is desired. If you receive a result of fair or poor, there could be a communication issue between the panel and the sensor. Communication issues may be resolved by adjusting the location of a sensor. Consult with your security provider before making any adjustments.
Remember, we offer nationwide UL monitoring services starting at $10 per month with no contracts, no activation fees, and your rates will never go up. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below or call us at 877-364-0918. You can also visit us online at advancedsecurityllc.com or check out our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.